Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is Vidisha Vitlani and I've been in IELTS faculty since 5 years. And I'm glad to tell you that I've been associated with Aussie's group as a full-time employee since past 4 years. Coming to the IELTS Tutorials Speaking App. Now, what happens when we're practicing speaking? We always lack ideas, we always lack materials. Because of this app, you will never face this issue. This app will give you a range of materials, a range of ideas which will help you boost your score and give your speaking exam very confident. Another interesting feature of IELTS Tutorials is the periodical webinars. Now, every Saturday, our IELTS expert comes live on FB with a fresh new topic that the students demand, that the students need to clear doubts in, and takes a complete sessions. All your doubts are cleared in this session and the trainer will give you strategies which will help you improve and elevate your scores. We are active on a number of social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can join us, like us and subscribe us to get the latest updates regarding the IELTS exam. Also, this is to ensure that you can contact us at any time from anywhere and we're always happy to help you. IELTS Tutorials wishes you all the best for your exams and I hope you all do really well. Thank you.